Everyone, I am taking the class on standard naming conventions. When we are coding, we follow these four rules. So first one is class naming convention, second one variable naming convention, method naming convention, and package naming convention. When it comes to class naming convention, every word starting letter should be in capital. And let us see as an example. I taken in a class new world IT. This is in a word, right? N is the capital and word W is the capital, I is the capital. So this is how we follow. So I will show you a real time example. I created one class as data types. So the class naming convention is D capital and T capital letter. Next one, variable naming convention. If variable name contains one word, entire word should be in small. Int age I have taken. A is a small letter. Only one word, right? So I will show you a real time example. Int var I have taken. So var. So only one word, right? So v is a small letter. Entire word should be in a small letter. Here, if the variable name contains more than one word, then we follow in this way of naming type. So first word should be small letter, and from the second word first letter should be in capital. From the second word first letter should be in capital. So here I am showing a real time example. I have taken in a variable has two words, var value. First word entire word should be in small letter. From the second word first letter is in capital letter. So the next one is method naming convention. The same has variable naming convention. Whatever we follow the variable naming convention, that same applies to the method naming convention. And next one is package naming convention. Package naming convention will be reverse of application domain URL. Every word should be separated with a dot and the word should be in lowercase. So let us see the example. Domain, what we are using in a domain, dot application name. I have given domain is a in dot Yahoo is the application name.